In December 2025, I made $5,958 from selling my digital products, Framer website templates. My goal for 2026 is 20K per month. That's just under 3.4 times growth in 12 months. Now that may sound impossible to some, but I genuinely believe I can do it because I previously didn't think I would achieve near 6K like I did last month. Those of you following my journey will know that in May 2025, I made only $49 from selling templates. I was on the verge of quitting, but I decided to give it another go and make some big changes, including my mindset to this business model. 7 months later, I hit nearly 6K. That's 121 times growth in 7 months. So I believe I'm going from 6K to 20K in 12 months is absolutely doable. First, let me explain why 20,000 per month specifically. This isn't just a random number I picked, it's my financial freedom number. 20K per month means that I can explore the world with my family without having to worry about the finances. It means supporting both my friends and family when they need it. But most importantly, it means hearing my family say that they're proud of what I built. When I told them I almost made $6,000 in December, they were super proud. I can only imagine the feeling when I tell them that I made 20,000 in 1 month. That's exactly what I'm chasing. Before going into the strategy, let me first show you why this goal is achievable. So here's a recent post on X that shows my full 2025 revenue breakdown. You see Jan started at 470, Feb 342, to April it was 139, and then May was $49 only. That May number was rock bottom. I remember staring at my dashboard thinking, this isn't working at all. But then in June, it was almost 600, July was almost 7, August was 1.8, and in September was 3.2. From there onwards, it was just 3 and above. So then October followed, which was 3, November 3.8, and then December was the near 6K month. That's 121x growth in just 7 months. Looking back now, I understand exactly what I was doing wrong between January throughout to May. I was just doing too many things at once. Templates, building an agency, freelancing, and even avoiding things like marketing. Looking back now, it made complete sense and honestly inevitable for revenue to collapse. But in June, I made a conscious decision to give templates one more go and went all in, and recovery started almost immediately. In September, I committed to consistency. 4 to 5 posts per week on X, weekly YouTube videos, and 1 template per month. Revenue stayed above 3,000 per month from that point forward. And for this month, it hasn't even ended yet. At the date of this recording, I made $4,715 so far in January 2026. Consistency works. I proved it. Now I'm scaling it. Here's exactly what I'm committing to this year. I aim to build and launch 12 new templates by the end of this year. That's 1 per month, but each template has to be higher quality than anything I built in 2025. The mistake I was making at the start of last year was that each template were more or less similar standards. From June, I made each template with the intention that it will be better than the last. There's no rushing here, no cutting corners. I plan to upload 3 to 4 videos per month, with this one being the 3rd for January, and in total, that's 36 to 48 videos within this year. The content will be a mix of template tutorials, behind-the-scenes revenue updates, customer success stories, and business breakdowns. Same approach as templates. Each video will be better than the last, providing more and more value to all of you. On X, I'll post at least 3 times per week. Instead of 5 mediocre posts, I want 3 great ones that actually provide value. Each post will be tactical, transparent with real numbers, and engaging. I'm focusing on quality over quantity. At the moment, I'll be sending 2 emails per week. That's 104 emails this year, but this figure may increase over time depending on how the year unfolds. This plan is based on 3 parts that I've already proven works. First is that consistency compounds. I proved this from September to December last year. Before being consistent was $49 in May, and then after consistency was near $6,000 in December. Second, more templates equals more passive income streams. Each template works while I sleep. Having 27 templates by the year end means 27 revenue streams. Even if each template makes only $700 per month, that's still $8,900 monthly total. And lastly, using social media platforms such as X and YouTube to reach new customers, leading to new sales. To hit the 20K per month goal, I'm making sacrifices in the first half of 2026. I'm not taking any new client projects for this year. Having too many goals just slows down my progress. As harsh as this may sound, but I can't have any friends visiting me in Dubai until Q2 to Q3. Apart from my pre-commitments, until Q3, I'm staying put at home. I killed 3 business ideas in 2025, and 2026, I'm killing all new ones. No more doubting and no more pivoting. Lastly, if anything comes along and it doesn't contribute to my template business, I'm not doing it at all. Recently, I'm noticing how much I was saying yes to, which was counterproductive to the template business. So I'm learning that doing less is actually doing more. I'm committing to a few months of pure focus by saying no now, which means freedom to say yes later. Now, this is the most important part to reach my 2026 goal. Having set clear milestones which show if I'm on the right path or I need to change up my strategy. By Q1, I aim to make 8K per month, which is 1.3x from December. By Q2, I aim for 12K per month. That's 2x. For Q3, the goal is 16K per month, making it almost 2.7 times more than December. And by the end of Q4, I would hope to hit my goal of $20,000 per month. The strategy isn't fixed in stone. There should be room for flexibility. And so having these milestones in place will guide me in whether I need to make changes or not. So what could stop me from hitting my 20K per month goal? It's not the market, not any competition, nor any algorithm changes. Myself, I'm my biggest risk from succeeding in this business. If I don't produce high quality templates, I won't hit 20K. If I don't create valuable content, I won't hit 20K. If I get lazy, distracted, or discouraged, I won't reach my goal for this year. I proved this in May last year. $49 wasn't because the market was bad. It was because I was scattered, unfocused, and avoiding the hard work. But then I changed, and as a result, revenue increased. And the same thing will happen in 2026 if I stay focused. That's it for this video. Make sure to follow me on X and subscribe to my newsletter for more content like this. Also, I'm curious, what are your goals for 2026? Comment them below. I would love to know. If you're looking to start your online business, then check out this video where I cover how you can launch in a matter of hours, not weeks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.